In this video, we're going to go over the payment packages. Payment packages are required to be assigned to each individual client. Now, depending on their needs, depends on the package that you want to set up. So you might want to have packages that are for 500 credits per month, 1,000. If you have a high-end client, you might want to have packages that's 10,000 credits per month. But always make sure that you charge accordingly based on those packages. To create a package, simply click on the plus button here. And there are two types of packages here. First is our other products. If we put another product in here, another product or service, it could be SEO work that we do, it could be reputation management. You can put the title in, the price, description, and the trial days, how many days trial they get before they start getting charged. The trial amount, for maybe you want to have $2 for the first 10 days and then it starts on the monthly billing. And then a recurring test which describes how they're going to be billed, so you always want to indicate that to the customer. After they pay, you send them to a thank you page, URL. This is to thanking them for their payment. And then we want to choose our billing cycle in months. We want to choose our custom buy button. And then if it's related to a package, you want to assign it here, but generally you don't need this because this is not related to an SMS package. This is an outside product. So when this appears on a page, a customer purchases, has no bearing on any SMS credits or the SMS plan inside WootText. This is just collecting payments for other products and reporting it inside WootText, so you always have a record of it. And you can determine if you want to have those credits roll over every cycle. This more or less don't apply to this, but if you want to have this tied to keywords or SMS credits, you could do so. Set the status as published or on. Just click on this, is published. We'll put it on the page. We'll enable the button to appear, and then if this has anything related to shortcode, you can disable the shortcode here or enable it by unchecking it. But let's get into the actual SMS package itself. So we want to create a package that many of our clients will use. So I'm going to go ahead and create a title. I'm going to fill this in and come back. Alright, so I completed filling out the manual entry of the customer here, or excuse me, the manual entry of the package. So this is an SMS package. The title of it is 1,000 SMS credit plan. It's $50 per month, and we describe that here in this section. We have the option here to separate credits for incoming and outgoing. To segregate those, we can say you get 500 incoming and 500 outgoing, and if they want to buy extra, it's 1 cent each or 2 cents each depending on which they buy. But I'm just going to create a package for general credits, incoming and outgoing are the same price, 1,000 credits, and if they want to buy more, it's 1 cent each. Keep in mind, you buy credits from Twilio, it's already 1 cent, so you want to make a little money on those. You might want to charge 2, 3, 4, even 5 cents, up to 8 cents each, depending on where you live and what the market will bear. The SMS description, this is describing your credits included in the plan. If you're running a trial, you're going to set the amount of days and how much it costs for the first amount of days. You can also enter zero here if you want, but I'm going to put $1 for the first 7 days and then 50 per month, and that's described here in the recurring text. After a customer pays, you want to send them to a thank you page URL. Just put in your URL to the page, and it'll automatically send them there. Next, we want to choose our billing cycle in months. You can bill them quarterly, semi-annually, however you want to do it. I'm going to bill them every month, so just enter 1 here. I'm going to create my own buy button. I uploaded that here. Next is our SMS packages. We don't need to do anything with that. We have our rollover credits. So if we want to roll over credits every time somebody pays, that way we would have to go in there and manage their credits in their account and add credits all the time. Just check mark this, automatically add the credits every time they pay. The status of that button, the buy button that we're going to create here for the package, is active, so I'm going to check it off. It is published. I'm going to check that off. And if you want to disable a short code, just click on this, and they can only use long codes in their system. If they're going to use both long codes and short codes, you're going to uncheck that. Each account uses 1 phone number per client. If they're using short code, they're going to still use a long code that's going to handle calls and the IVR in the voicemail system. So always be aware of that when creating your packages. Next, how many long codes we want to assign to a customer. These are phone numbers. Now keep in mind it's $1 each at Twilio. For you, you can upsell those to customers, so if they want to add numbers to create new contests under a different company and a different phone number that matches a state that they're in, they can add those credits. So give them a certain amount of credits for the package. If they want to purchase more, it's $10 each. Next is the shortcode section. We can allot them a certain amount of keyword credits because keywords do have inherent value as they're a commodity. So we give them 10 initially, and then if they use those 10 up, it's $7 each for additional. Now we got to determine what we want to enable inside of their account. So you might want to create a package just for those that are using trivia. So you would just check trivia off. But generally you want to check as much off as you want them to have access to, and you can charge accordingly based on the feature that you're adding. And when you're done, just click on Save. You'll see here it's created the 1,000 SMS credit plan. The status is active, it's published, it's assigned an ID of 2 in my case. We get 1,000 SMS and our price is $50. To grab the button code that you're going to place on any website, just grab this code here, copy it, and then paste it into any web page. Center it and style it however you want it. When somebody clicks on that, what's going to happen is they're going to first create an account, send them to a form, they put their name, address, email, desired password, and then they choose the phone number that they want, and our system will reserve the phone number until they complete the purchase process. Once the purchase process is complete, they'll be sent the email that you've set in the settings email section, and they'll log in their account and they can start sending SMS right away. To edit any account, just simply click on the edit button, and here, oops, let me go back. That was the wrong package. Here's my credit package here, and you can see here it's got all the information. And if you want to edit the plan, just add additional credits or whatever you want to do, change the wording. It's totally up to how you want to have it. So I'm going to go back. If you have an instance where you have several packages and it's getting hard to maintain and manage, just by using the records per page here, just do a simple search here, and it'll automatically sort, and you can find that package right away. Now the packages are in direct relation to client accounts. So if I go in a client account, let's say I want to change his package, all I got to do is go to 1,000 SMS credit plan and choose my package in between dates, click on Save. Make sure that today's date always falls in between the package dates, because if it doesn't, their SMS system will stop working. This concludes a training for using and creating the payment package inside of WootText.